While many attributes of directories vary from one provider to another, there are a number of characteristics identified as beneficial for directory services by the Faster Payments Council. At a high level, these characteristics can be categorized as safety, interoperability, and governance. Safety. Let's review what it means for a directory to be safe. Data security. Any information not intended to be public will be protected both at rest and in flight. Cybersecurity. The directory operations will limit access to the directory to those parties that are authorized and protect the directory against cyber attacks. Integrity. The information in the directory that will be accurate and the actions of the directory or those using the directory will not inadvertently change the data. And privacy. Information in the directory and information provided to participants in the directory should be used only for the purpose of enabling or directing a payment. It should be assumed that the directory cannot be mined for information. Interoperability. Just as a directory can be used within a single domain to tie an alias to a banking credential, directories can be used to facilitate the interoperability of multiple domains by creating a roadmap that allows providers to determine which network a particular user is connected to. Governance. A directory will require a governance structure that answers key questions such as who can participate, what are their obligations, and what rights and responsibilities accrue to those using the directory. The enhanced safety aspects of leveraging a directory mean that parties can engage in transactions that don't require the level of trust that should be required to share more sensitive information such as a bank account or debit card number. Additionally, the ability to transact using familiar credentials such as email addresses or social media handles can reduce the barriers to usage and adoption. Most people are not readily able to provide their bank account and routing numbers. Most people clearly know their own email address and phone number. Ultimately, directory services make the payments system more accessible for users.